how to set and accomplish powerful personal goals, the fulfillment of which will mean nothing less than a life of your dreams. Watch this video to find out. Friends, today we are going to talk about goal setting using NLP. NLP stands for Neuro Linguistic Programming. Goal setting is one of the most effective, potent and fascinating applications of NLP. Here is what we are going to do today. I want you to take a pen and paper, preferably a diary. And in that diary, I would like you to write 3 most important goals in 3 different aspects of your life. The first one is your personal goals, the second one is your business and profession, and the third one is your relationships. Under each of these sections, I want you to write 3 goals. One for the short term, from now till next 12 months. The second one is the medium term, which is from 1 year to 4 years. And the third one is the long term goals, 5 years to 8 years. Now when you write these goals, I want you to remember one very important thing. The goals which you write should be a reflection of your dreams, desires and aspirations. These goals should be those goals, the fulfillment of which should signify to you that you have achieved resounding success in these aspects of life. Not just success, but stability and significance as well. Now you will be wondering as to how you can just put one goal in each of these. You may be having several goals in your mind. Of course, life has a hierarchy of goals. Some of the ones are the most important ones. The next level comes those which are important but not as important as the top ones. And the third ones which are important but which could probably wait till the first 2 levels, first 2 layers are satisfied. So take your time today. Sit in a room where there is no distraction. I want you to go into an introspection mood where I want you to think earnestly and sincerely as to what exactly you are expecting from life in each of these vital areas of your life. And once you have done those, then we will follow up and see as to how those goals could be improvised. There is a magic which lies in the technique of NLP as far as the goal setting is concerned, and it does so very elegantly. So till then, take care, stay safe and God bless. Thank you.